My name is Jacob Reeves. I'm the Nacelle Supervisor in VAS Aviation. Right in front of me, I got the G5 TR. When they come in, we do a full inspection on them. We do a full overhaul if need be. This one specifically was a full overhaul. Got brand new hinge beams to all the way brand new mount ring. And anything else that needs to be done to it, we take care of it. Roughly, it takes about 56 squawks.
Is there a reason for the blue?
That is the standard primer for this company right here. That's a standard primer, and then a second primer. This is the second stage of the primer right here. So around the second stage of primer, you won't see any of the rivets, any of the small flaws you might see that comes from factory. And then after it's all done, we'll just go ahead and paint it, and that's all it takes right there. A paint job and it's done. That's a standard Sunfire red that we got to put on it. Usually they get painted Matterhorn white. But at this particular time, we're going to wait for the customer to let us know what paint job they would like to prefer on their aircraft.